excited to show you our Modern Craftsman on Laurelcrest Lane, one of the premier lanes along Lake Washington, and it's just a few steps down from the Laurelhurst Beach Club. So let's go check out all of the wonderful living spaces in this house. Come along. All of the entertaining spaces in this home really capture the view, and you look right over to the Cascade Mountain Range. You have amazing Craftsman details balanced with kind of light and bright interiors, reclaimed wood floors, you have this beautiful fireplace and beam detail, and then you have a really seamless indoor-outdoor experience with a deck that runs the whole east front of the house over to the outdoor entertaining space. So now you can see how amazing this view is. You have the sunrise coming over the mountains in the morning. You can enjoy all of the boat activity and watch seaplanes take on and off of Lake Washington. Now let's go see that outdoor lounge. Just imagine gathering out here year-round. You can have cocktails in the summer, you can enjoy coffee in the winter. It really is a great year-round space, and you look right over to the City of Bellevue skyline. Now let's go check out the kitchen. The views continue right into the kitchen. It's a great open floor plan where it flows right into the great room, and then of course that covered outdoor living space. And who doesn't love a Dutch door? So now we're in the primary suite, and you can see how sensational the views are from up here. You also have this beautiful rock fireplace, really tall ceilings, and the spa-like bath is just so relaxing, and that has amazing views as well. Also on this level, you have 2 additional bedrooms, each with their really cool loft, and then you have an office, a 3/4 bath, and a great laundry room. So let's head back downstairs, and I want to show you a really cool space. I absolutely love this space. This is near the top of the list for every single buyer right now. Having a dedicated space where kids can study or a second home office. It has so much natural light, and you're right off of the main living spaces. So you're close to the kitchen, the family room, and all of the outdoor living spaces. So now we're at the entry level, and you have this really fabulous guest suite. It has a huge bathroom and a really big walk-in closet. I don't really know what else your guests would want. It's an amazing space. Also on this level, you have a huge game room, and then you have a whole separate media room. And the game room has its own outdoor terrace as well. This house also has an elevator that goes to all levels, and there's a really cool tree house. Before we wrap up our tour, I want to show you one more secret feature. You found me! It smells exactly like Walla Walla in here. You are just transported away, and it's such a fun little tasting space, and of course, tons of wine storage. So thanks for joining us on this tour today. If you want more information or to see this home in person, contact us at the information below. We would love to give you a tour and of course show you that great beach club. See you next time.